welcome to I Choke My Threes, where we try to make better decisions. It's Miko, and today we're talking about the Levi's 505. Alright, this is just going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you my new favorite denim. It is the Levi's 505, made popular by the Ramones on their album cover. I think it was the Sticky Fingers album, I'm not sure. Just look it up, the Ramones. And for you guys that don't know, the Levi's 505 is sort of the brand's unofficial work pant. Obviously the 501 is the original, but when they made the 505s, people just started using it for that purpose. Alright, so yesterday I picked it up from the cleaners, and this is me doing that. I'm about to head out to get my Levi's 505 that I had hemmed. It's been sitting there for a week. I was supposed to get it last week. I forgot about it. Alright, that's it. Let's go.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Island boys, we the truth. Double cup.
Have a good day.
See ya.
Island boys, we the truth.
Guys, this is it. My new favorite pair of pants, the Levi's 505. I just got an all black one because that's exactly what I wanted. For about half a year now, I've been looking for a nice workwear type pant, kind of like something that you'd get from Marks. It could be Carhartt, but I'm mainly looking at the Dickies. However, every time I tried them on, they didn't really fit me the way that I wanted them to. So this is absolutely clutch. The fact that I was able to get this for $19 at the Levi's outlets. It was just sitting there along with 5 other styles. They had other 505s, 501s. I was just lucky. Trust me, I've been looking hard, and here locally in Toronto, these aren't available. All we have in store are 501s, 541s, 511s, 510s. I hate the fact that the current ones sit below the waist. Dude, I'm not Adam Levine. I don't need to show my you know, like it's not like that. So these sit at your waist, which is perfect. The straight cut fits my body perfectly, which is exactly what I'm looking for. The thigh area is kind of roomy, and it kind of tapers down towards the leg. I had about 1.5 to 2 inches cut off. So this was a 33/30. It's now a 33/28, 28 and a half. I used to wear this one a lot. This is my Edwin made in Japan denim that I got from Tokyo. Again, I got it from Tokyo, $50, made in Japan. Yeah, for you guys that know your Japanese denim, you know that anything made in Japan would cost you about $200, $300 and up. And to get this for $50, that's kind of crazy. The only drawback is it doesn't have any patches, no other detailing aside from this small Edwin tab and the made in Japan tab inside. Yeah, they made it really minimal, but I don't really care about branding or any of that stuff on my denim because they're denim. They're just supposed to be tough, comfortable, and something that would evolve with you along the way, if that makes sense. Like this denim, for example, it's already starting to get some character. It's only been a year since I got him. Here is the back of the leg. You're already starting to see some stuff happening to it, which is kind of cool, which is exactly what's going to happen with the 505s that I got. They're kind of a throwback Levi's, to be honest with you. They feel kind of rigid, which takes me back to the 2006, 2009 era of Levi's. Very vintage feeling, unlike the ones that you would see in store that are super treated. Alright, I'm sure that as I was talking, I was showing you B-roll of me wearing it with my Jordan 1s, my New Balance 990s, and my new favorite black leather derbies. As you saw, this particular denim fit all of those silhouettes perfectly. Honestly, it's as simple as that. I just needed something that I could potentially wear every day. Keep it very low-key, no distressing. I would like those things to develop eventually. Yeah, I'm just going to wear this as kind of like my work pant replacement. I still want to pick up a pair of Dickies eventually, but I need to get the right fit, so I'm going to be patient with that. I'm happy with this right now. I hope you guys didn't mind that this wasn't a deep dive into the 505s. If you have any questions, just please comment down below. I'll try my best to answer your questions. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Please follow me on Instagram at mikozon and at ichokemai. I hope this video helped you in some way. If you're looking for the perfect denim, maybe look into the 505s. There are several variations of this, but yeah, this is my new favorite denim. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.